Hi, welcome to our 2013 Georgia Mission of Mercy. My name is Jack Newman and I'll be coordinating patient education. I want to thank all of you for giving of your time to make this GMOM a big success. Our goal is to help our patients realize that they are in control of their dental well-being and to give them the resources to make that happen. We anticipate quite a big turnout this year with as many as 1,000 patients each day. I'd like to go over the basic setup of the Atlanta Trade Center facility to give you an idea of how patients will be routed. They will first be checked in at the registration area, be assigned a number, and given a wristband and name tag. From the registration area, they will be escorted to a nearby sitting area where we will have them fill out a questionnaire asking them about any specific concerns they may have. From there, they will be directed to our patient education tables. We'll have 8 set up for one-on-one counseling with our volunteers. Once they finish with patient education, we will sign their forms, place a sticker on their name tag, and they will be escorted to medical triage. This will be a diverse group of people that we will greet and educate. We will have translators available in our area to help as needed. They will wear bright yellow t-shirts so they can be easily spotted. It's important to know that many of the patients may be fearful and in pain, so we want to do our best to respect and comfort them. Not all will have the same educational needs. Some may only have several teeth left that they want extracted. They won't need counseling and brushing and flossing, but it would be appropriate to talk to them about caring for dentures and proper nutrition. Our questionnaire will help us key in on their particular needs. In addition to basic oral health care, some of the other topics on the questionnaire will include oral health in pregnancy, caring for children and infants' teeth, caring for the elderly, oral health as it relates to systemic health, and smoking and spit tobacco cessation. We will have English and Spanish language brochures on these topics, and I'll have laminated bullet points for easy reference at each table. There will be typodonts at each table, and we'll also have displays on a variety of subjects. With the incidence of cavities on the rise in the United States, particularly among low-income preschoolers, we'd like to place particular emphasis on good and bad food and drink choices and the role they play in tooth decay. Due to the sheer numbers of patients that we'll be educating, we will have about 5 minutes per patient. Also, it is important that if they ask, patients should understand our volunteer clinicians are limited in what they can do. Not all their needs can be met. First priority is given to alleviating pain and infection. If they have none, then appropriate care will be given to select teeth. We will be serving patients over a morning and afternoon shift on Friday and Saturday. Please arrive early for your shift, as you'll need to stop by the volunteer registration area to check in before coming over to patient education. For those signed up for the morning shift, this will mean arriving a few minutes before 5, as our doors will open then, and we will be the first area that patients will be taken to after registration. We'll have food and drink for our volunteers in the hospitality area. Only bottled water is allowed on the clinic floor. Even though you'll be seated at tables for the most part, I would wear comfortable closed-toed shoes. You also may want to bring extra clothes as the facility may be a bit cool. As patients exit from the GMOM facility, we will have volunteers dressed up in toothpaste and toothbrush outfits who will be handing out goodie bags containing brushes, floss, toothpaste, and a list of charitable clinics in the area. I'd like to give special thanks to Cherie Rainwater, Dental Hygiene Department Chair at Georgia Perimeter College, for her help in recruiting and organizing our patient education area. I'd also like to thank Tina Greil and Nancy Goodwin at Athens Technical College's Dental Hygiene School for their help in recruiting and for loaning us typodonts and display materials. And finally, thank you to all of you for making this possible. Remember, the bottom line is to have fun, be flexible, and know that you're doing a terrific service for our neighbors in need. See you soon.